In the year of 1927, the Jazz Singer was released, which was the first ever talkie movie. But wait, why I am telling you this? Because someone commented that we already out of silent movies in the year of 1920. So yeah, I was just proving him wrong.
Stop it. Get some help.
So welcome back to the new video, and I know you guys are facing difficulty to follow tutorials with EDM music. Anyway, let's see the preview what we are going to create today. So here we are in Filmora, and as you can see there are three footages. First one is the subject, second one is the background because I am going to use the chroma key feature here, and the third one is the flare which you can download by the link in the description. So let's start the video by dragging the background under the subject and double click on the subject to open the show properties, or you can also right click on it and here is the show properties. Just click on it and let's enable the chroma key feature, and I'm going to use color picker to choose color. But remember that your video setting can be different, so do not copy these settings. And I'm going to do a little bit of color correction because it is looking weird. And if you right click on the video, there is an option of color correction, or you can also click on this icon. If you are using a green screen footage, then make sure you are using a dark background. So let's color correct the subject by adjusting the contrast, brightness. And again remember that your video setting can be different, so do not copy these settings. And I think it looks better. And now I will split this video here, and let's double click on this to open the properties, and here we will enable the motion tracking feature, and let's track the one eye. Okay, now I selected the eye, and let's click here to start the motion tracking. Okay, motion tracking is done, and now let's drag the flare to the timeline. And double click on the flare to open the properties. And now I will change the blending mode to screen. To fit the flare on the eye, let's change the scale and position of flare. And now I will change the opacity of layer to around 80% to make it a little bit transparent. So let's go back to the motion tracking and choose the flare. So as you can see that now flare will follow the movement of eye. So now let's bring the flare to the fifth layer, because now we will place the another flare to the other eye. Let's copy the flare and paste it on the fourth layer. To fit the flare on the other eye, let's double click on it and change the properties. Okay, now let's copy this layer and paste it on the third layer. Okay, remember that you have to motion track both the eyes. So let's disable the visibility of both the flares to focus on motion tracking. Click here to reset and let's select the other eye. Okay, eye is dragged and let's select the flare. And if you think that both of your flares not following the eyes, then simply change their layer positions. Okay, so it looks perfect. And if you want to add the lightning effects to your video, then you can download this effect pack from the film stock, and the link is in the description. So I already have this effect pack in the Filmora. Okay, it looks cool now. I will add the dissolve transition on both the flares. Let's adjust the duration of transitions. Okay, finally we are done. Let's see the preview. Okay, thanks for watching this video and make sure you hit the like button and comment below what you want to learn next. But before we leave, I wanna say thank you to these amazing people to support me on Patreon.